The Rosary invites people to reflect on the great mysteries of the life, death, and resurrection of Jesus. Today's Gospel presents Mary as a reflective person. Later in the next chapter, St. Luke says of her that she treasured all these words and pondered them in her heart. Again, in response to the words, Jesus said to her in the temple, Mary continued to treasure those words in her heart. Several times, St. Luke's Gospel presents Mary as a thoughtful, contemplative person, reflecting deeply on all that was happening in her own life and in the life of her own Son. She embodies perfectly the attitude of mind and heart that is fostered by praying the Rosary. In praying that prayer, we treasure and ponder upon the key moments in the journey of Jesus in this world and from this world to the Father. Mary not only pondered what God was doing in the words and deeds of Jesus, but gave herself fully to what God was doing, as shown by her response to the angel's message in today's Gospel. Let what you have said be done to me, or be it done to me according to your word. As we ponder also on what God achieved by the words and deeds of Jesus, we can hear afresh the call to give ourselves over to God's purpose for us, that we may dedicate our lives to building God's kingdom here on earth. Let's pray for this grace for one another.